Welcome to another episode of Jumpin In The Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today, this is what's going to be jumping in my pot. I made roast beef on Sunday, and I decided to turn the leftover roast beef into leftover roast beef casserole. Let's get to it. Let's get to the ingredients. I have here rigatoni noodles. I've already boiled them and I have them sitting in cold water. You can use ziti noodles if you like. Cook the noodles according to the package. I have here shredded mozzarella cheese, Gruyere cheese, shredded Parmesan, and the roast beef that I already shredded up. Sliced mushrooms, olive oil, minced garlic, minced parsley, breadcrumbs, diced onions, heavy cream, nutmeg. I have here dried thyme, but you can use fresh thyme also. And unsalted beef stock. Let's get to making the leftover roast beef casserole. I have a saute pan here. I'm going to turn it to medium low. I'm going to add the olive oil, the onions, and the thyme. We're going to let everything saute up until the onions get translucent. Maybe 2 to 3 minutes. Yes, I think it's sauteed up enough, the onions. And now it's time to add the garlic. Let the garlic jump into the pot. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. Now it's time for the mushrooms to jump into the pan. We saute this up for about a minute. Now it's time to add the shredded beef. And now we're going to add the beef broth. We're going to let this cook up for about 2 minutes. Now we're going to add some nutmeg. We're going to grate the nutmeg over it. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Okay, I have the rigatoni in this bowl here, and I'm going to add the shredded beef mixture to the bowl. And then we're going to mix all of this up together. And and the reserved pasta water. When you make the pasta, you must reserve at least 1/4 cup. And then we're going to mix some of the Gruyere cheese and the Parmesan cheese. And then we're going to add the cream, the heavy cream, 1 cup. And we're going to mix all of this up together. Then we're going to put it all in a casserole dish that I've buttered. Okay, I've already put the casserole in the baking dish, and this is what we do now. I have a bowl here. I'm going to add the breadcrumbs, the parsley, and the mozzarella cheese. This is a 1/2 cup of heavy cream. We're going to pour this over. Then we're going to take this spoon and mix the breadcrumb and the parsley and the mozzarella cheese together. Now we're going to add the breadcrumb, cheese, and parsley on top of the casserole. And we're going to let this bake for 20 to 25 minutes. And we have the oven set to 375 degrees. Here you have it, leftover roast beef casserole. Enjoy. Okay, let's try it, but it's going to be hot. Let's see how it came out. Nice and cheesy. Let's try some. Nice and creamy. Very tasty. You can taste a little hint of the nutmeg, the creaminess of the cheeses that melted together, the mushroom. You can have the flavor of the mushroom in it. It's delicious. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and X. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.